And welcome back to the workshop. It is something of a chilly day here, and before we start on today's exciting topic, just want to apologize for being away for so long. Had some health problems going on the last about a year and a half now, and it culminated there a few weeks ago with me having to go into hospital for some procedures, and I was in for a total of 2 weeks, and then I wasn't able to move for a week after that, and I'm really only starting to get back moving now. So that's that part. So what have we got going on? Well, there's a good few projects that I got to restart, but why are we here why are we here today, and why am I filming on my phone? Well, I'm filming on my phone because the GoPro battery's dead. So because I've not been GoProing. And why are we in the shed? Well, we're in the shed because the E39's heater decided to pack up a day or two ago on one of the coldest days of the year, of course. So I was here today, finally got a chance to have a look at it, and yeah, so let's go have a look at the E39. We haven't seen that car for some time, and we'll also be showing you some new arrivals to the fleet, so prepare for some shaky camera phone footage. Don't say I didn't warn you. So say hello to YouTube, New Blue. This is New Blue. Hello YouTube, or most properly should be Guten Morgen YouTube. So more on this vehicle at another date. So welcome back to the land yacht. The old yacht and I have been sailing the Carmacadam seas now for the past 4 years without a single problem. I've recently just put a nice new set of tyres. Oh, and I got some top spec fake M5 alloys. This is also a fake one, and this is additionally fake. So yeah, we've been driving away merrily. There's nearly 250,000 miles on this car now. So, as some of you may remember, we used one of these MES fluid heaters for our cabin heat, and it decided not to heat the fluid anymore a few days ago. So I had a quick check, just make sure it was getting high voltage and 12 volt start signal, which it is, but we're not getting any heat. So our pumps are all working, everything else is doing what it needs to do, but our trusty MES heater is not working anymore. So cold inside car, and that means I'm cold, which means I'm not happy. Also say hello to Big Blue. Big Blue is our gas guzzling E39 Touring. Big Blue has a date with a, how should I phrase it, a powertrain swap coming up hopefully this year. But don't worry purists, we will be using only genuine BMW parts. More on this later. So as you guys know, I've got all of these Tesla parts, and I thought, ooh, here's an idea. Let's use a Tesla part in the land yacht, because I happen to have this rather excellent 5 kilowatt battery heater that is used in the Model S for, strangely enough, heating the batteries. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, okay, you know, this can't be too tricky. We got water in, we got water out. You know, I've got a high voltage connection here, and I got maybe just a 12 volt feed here. And I thought, okay, you know, let's just pop the cover off and have a look. Popped off the cover, and Mr. Musk has gooed it. Yes, Elon, why did you goo it on me? He has gooed it totally. So, it's not going to be a simple job of let's have a look in there and see if there's a relay or maybe a few transistors or something simple. We're going to have to hack this thing. So, yes, let's go and hack this thing and see if we could use this for heating fluids in the land yacht's cabin, because, well, I can't really be cold because it makes me sad. Okay, folks, change of plan on the heater. I realized that I have one of those MES heaters in the Panzer. I'm going to take that out of the Panzer and swap it into the land yacht, because that'll be a lot easier. Be a straight 1-for-1 swap. And because we will use the Tesla battery heater to heat Tesla batteries that we're going to have in the Panzer. So that's what we're going to do with this. That's how we're going to solve that particular problem. Other fun things going on here is the i3 motor. As we said earlier, only genuine BMW parts, genuine BMW inverter, genuine BMW gear shifter for the Panzer as well. So, lots of stuff going on here. I will leave you guys at that. Sorry for all the shaky cell phone footage type thing, but you know, bit of a video to get my feet wet again after the absence. Thanks for all the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We will see you in the next video, and please do check out links in the description for my Patreon support page. Okay guys, until then, happy heater swapping.